these types of cases at home will become more routine as we identify more cases in Utah.
And a lot of people still talking about the virus as state leaders prepare for even more cases in Utah. Tonight, the first patient who was diagnosed with the virus while in Utah, resting at home now in Davis County.
And the governor has declared a state of emergency so local communities can prepare now instead of later. News specialist Alex Cabrero says while many are preparing, it's important to remember not to panic.
That's right, Ashley. You know, a month and a half ago, most of us have probably never even heard the word coronavirus. Now, it's a word we are hearing everywhere. And in many buildings, we're seeing companies doing whatever they can to try and keep that virus from spreading. Now, is this all overblown? Well, it depends on who you speak with. But at the same time, it is important to get as much information as possible so we can all prepare, just in case.
Having a little laugh is good for the soul, which is why UDOT poked some fun at the coronavirus on its highway signs today. Same for many public restrooms, reminding people to keep a level head. That humor can help because there are some people who are really worried.
I guess we can understand why people would be concerned about COVID-19. This is a new virus, a new outbreak that's been slowly spreading throughout the world, and we are seeing more cases in the United States.
That includes Utah, where the Department of Health announced last night the first case of a person who was diagnosed with it while in Utah, living in Davis County.
This patient is recovering in their home and is under a county-issued home isolation order by the Davis County Health Department.
Of course, hearing that does add a bit to some of the panic because people have died after getting coronavirus. But health professionals say there are a lot more people who recover from it.
We want to emphasize that generally most people that get COVID-19 will have a mild disease or even no symptoms and fully recover.
Even still, it's always wise to prepare, which is why Governor Gary Herbert declared a state of emergency to free up state funding in advance for local communities to better handle and respond to any outbreaks. And as for all those people preparing by stocking up on toilet paper, even stealing rolls from the Kaysville Police Department, again, it's the humor that sometimes helps get us through.
Now, the state has set up a website for anybody who would like some information on the coronavirus. That website is coronavirus.utah.gov. We also have a bunch of information on our website, ksltv.com. Now, Keith and Ashley, there are some people who are worried about all of this, but health officials and state leaders are saying at this time there's certainly no need to panic. Back to you.
All right, Alex, thanks very much. And if you have concerns over the virus, the Utah Health Department has launched a new information hotline, and you can call this number on the screen and speak with a trained healthcare expert.